Guys, omo, YouTube is not easy at all. It's not easy. How did they used to say it? Survival of the fittest. Hmm. This my channel. I started this channel. It's been a while, and I've been posting. I've been posting. I've been posting. I've literally done everything, my setting, set my customization, everything, my keywords, the tags, like everything. Even God, even right now, ChatGPT is my closest friend because he has been encouraging me. Okay, look at the way you do it. Don't worry, change your thumbnail. Change your thumbnail. I will change. He will give me captivating thumbnail. I will change the topic. I will change everything. I will change. I've done literally everything. When posting, they said when posting, don't publish immediately. Let it not to be on public yet. Then when you schedule the time you want it to be published, then you publish it. I've been doing that. I've turned this button on, I've turned this button off, all those things. I've literally done everything. It is not working. All these channel, even small channels that are getting views, how do you people do it? Because I'm not getting views. Please, somebody should help me. Like, the thing is like I'm depressed. It's not encouraging. It's like I've been posting, not that I'm not posting, posting videos, shorts, even sending my even you know put my links on WhatsApp, so that I'll be getting views. I am still on low views. I am still on low views, and it's really getting to me. I don't know how you people do it here. Seriously, I don't know how you people do it here. I need help. Guys, please help me. I seriously need help. There's one YouTube person I tried to contact because one said I need to ask people around. I've tried to contact the person. Person gave me price. Right now, I can't even afford that price. Guys, please help me. I don't really know what else to do. Like, I am tired. I am literally tired. Guys, please help me. God.